Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I've got to show you something that totally upgraded my space without changing my style and using the curtains I already had. This is the Graywind Smart Curtain Track, and it's so good. First off, it works with your existing curtains, so you don't have to buy new ones. And even if they're heavy, it's fine. Up to 88 pounds this thing supports. And the motor, super quiet. You can barely even hear it. Installation was very straightforward, so it was easy to adjust to fit my window. This thing is really sturdy. It moves smoothly and it just works. I also love how the curtains overlap each other, so there's no gap in the middle, which makes the room darker. It's perfect for sleeping or when I'm watching movies. Just make sure your curtains aren't so long that they drag on the floor, or else there'll be a gap. Controlling this is super simple. You can use the Graywind app, the remote that comes with it, or voice control with an Amazon or Google Assistant. And if all that tech fails, guess what? You can still manually open and close them. So good. The part that I loved with setting it up on my Echo speaker is to set up a routine so it opens with your alarm in the morning, or it can also close at sunset or open at sunrise. It's seriously one of the most satisfying upgrades I've done. No new curtains, just intelligent control. And that's my point of view.